Are you looking for the best laptops for photo editing? In this video we will look at some of the best laptops for photo editing. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 3. Acer Swift Go 14, 2025. The best budget laptop for photo editing we've tested is the Acer Swift Go 14, 2025. Though more affordable than other picks, this 14-inch ultra-portable still packs more than enough processing power to handle most photo editing tasks. It's available with Intel Meteor Lake CPUs, up to a Core Ultra 9 185H, and up to 32 GB of RAM and 2 TB of storage. The latter is user-replaceable, and there are two M.2 2280 slots, so you can easily store thousands of photos without the need for an external drive. The Meteor Lake CPUs sport an NPU neural processing unit, which will speed up many AI features in photo editing apps, like object removal and image generation. You can choose an FHD plus IPS or a 2.8K OLED panel for the display. The OLED is sharper and better suited for color-critical work, but remember that it's susceptible to permanent burn-in, will drain the battery faster, and adds to the price tag. Build-wise, this laptop feels pretty sturdy despite having a little more plastic in its construction than the pics above. It has Wi-Fi 6E wireless connectivity, a fingerprint sensor for quick logins, and a wide port selection, including two Thunderbolt 4s, a microSD card reader, and an HDMI. Battery life is excellent at around 11 hours of light use, and you charge the laptop via USB-C. Number 2. Apple MacBook Air 15, M4, 2025. If you don't need a discrete GPU for your workflow, get the Apple MacBook Air 15, M4, 2025. This premium ultra-portable sports a large, bright 15-inch display that lets you work comfortably. It's an IPS panel, so the contrast ratio is worse than the pics above, and it doesn't have full Adobe RGB coverage, it's missing highly saturated greens. Still, it's a great display that'll likely satisfy most needs. Though technically larger, this model is even more portable than its 14-inch Pro sibling, thanks to its thinner, fanless design. The MacBook Air is only available with the base M4 SoC, which is plenty fast for most photo editing tasks. That said, you might still experience some stutters if your work has tons of layers and effects. Unfortunately, the port selection remains unchanged from previous MacBook Airs, comprising only two USB-Cs, so a dock might be necessary. The good news is that the external display support has improved, as you can now connect up to two 6K at 60Hz monitors while using the built-in screen. If you plan to use an external monitor with the laptop closed or prefer a more compact device, the Apple MacBook Air 13-inch M4, 2025 is also a good choice. It's cheaper, but the speakers don't sound as good. Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro 14, 2025. The best laptop for photo editing we've tested is the Apple MacBook Pro 14, 2025. This premium model is amazing for anything related to visual content creation. With a pixel density of 254 ppi, its mini LED display is one of the sharpest screens on the market. It gets bright enough to combat intense glare, but if glare is a big issue in your workspace, you can now opt for Apple's nanotexture finish. As usual, the display's factory calibration is superb. Unfortunately, it doesn't have full coverage of the Adobe RGB color space, as it can't reproduce the highly saturated greens. Performance is fantastic. The M4 SoCs have more than enough processing power to handle the most complex photo editing tasks. Also new is the addition of Thunderbolt 5 support on the M4 Pro and Max models, boosting file transfer speed up to 120 gigabits per second. On the Windows side, we recommend the Asus ProArt P16H7606, 2025. Equipped with a stunning 4K plus OLED display, a fast AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 CPU, and an NVIDIA discrete GPU, RTX 4060 or 4070, this 16-inch creator laptop is well suited for photography enthusiasts or professionals. This model also has a programmable, touch-sensitive dial so that you can quickly access various tools and settings, streamlining your workflow. The screen supports pen input if you prefer to work with a stylus, though you may have to buy the stylus separately, as it doesn't always come with the device. Unlike the MacBook Pro, the SSD is user-replaceable, and there are two M.2 2280 slots, allowing you to add a ton of storage space. The main downside of this laptop is its terrible battery life of around 5 hours in light use.